Um, Hello, Ashley. In response to your question and also for the rest of the class members, I am going to turn my view, like literally, this is what you see on your D2L. So this is the student's view, and this is my view. So for the student view, Atlas is a kind of external learning tools. So we have to embed the videos in some ways. And when I do something like this, in order to be able to be sure that everyone is seeing the videos, so I'm just going to that folder for Atlas. It's right here, and this is actually what you see. And I have seen that from your screenshot, you tried to access this video, which it asks you for username and password. And for me, when I click on that, it takes me straight to that video. So I don't know, maybe you should try refreshing your browser and clear the history. You see, this is one of those, and I think there are 45 of those from which you will make a selection. And let me just pick any one. Like this case, it opens and I can watch the video and I can read the description and narrations and everything. So really, I don't know what might happen, but if you try that and it didn't work, possibly tomorrow I have to reach out to IT support, because this is a big assignment and they are the ones who provide step-by-step process of how to embed this video on our D2L course for students to access without having to create account, because it's not free. The university has to buy some subscription, and that was why they have to find that way. So I will try to reach out to them, but just do this process. If it didn't work out, then tomorrow that is going to be my assignment. Thank you.